Howdy! Here's a compilation of David flying his electric Ringmaster in 2025. This is an all-original Sterling S-1 Ringmaster made from a kit purchased on eBay many years ago. It was built in 2024. The build was modified with a Brodak electric conversion kit. The original colors matched the box artwork, but the plane was crashed. Thanks to the generosity of some club members, a spare Brodak wing from another crashed plane was donated, which fit perfectly. The new wing is actually lighter and has a weight box and adjustable lead-outs. The club participates in the annual Ringmaster Flyathon, where literally the world participates and tries to beat the previous year's count of the number of pilots and Ringmaster flights. Any type of Ringmaster can be flown. If you're interested, there is more information at our website at www.bamsrc.org. Thanks for watching. For those of you not familiar with electric power, there is a timer switch that once pressed gives you time to get out to the handle by yourself without having to have someone hold and release the plane for you or use a stooge. The timer used in this video was short, so I needed to hustle to get out to the handle. It has been replaced with one that is adjustable and waits longer, so you can walk instead of rushing to the handle. At the end of the flight, the motor will pulse or lower power for a second to indicate that you have about one lap left before the motor stops. Here, I was still getting used to inverted flight and figure eights after having practiced using my Flash Spirit of control line. Multiple figure eights are a great way to keep from getting dizzy, by the way. This is the second flight of the day. I'd like to mention that the motor being used was unusually loud for an electric. I believe it was due to it being in a crash, so the shaft may have been slightly bent and/or I had tightened the mounting bolts too tight. It has since been replaced and is not as loud.